Hi there. In this video I am going to be showing you how you can create fully functional e-commerce website on WordPress. If you don't know what WordPress is a free and open source content management system written in PHP. We're going to build this e-commerce website, step by step, and using all the free resources, and drag and drop page builder. Now let's quickly see the end results first. Here we have a nice looking top bar with our social media icons. Then we have our logo and navigation menu. We have the shop page and our product categories. Also we have cart icon where it shows the products that have been added to cart. We have this page title. After that we have a nice looking hero section with background image, and a cool shape divider. Then we have this product category section, where user can directly see the products related to the respective category. Then we have this cool parallax effect called limited time offer. Then we have our services. Also we are going to be creating this cool footer with our product tags, subscription form and all that stuff. We are going to be creating shop page, where all of our products are listed. And with a nice hover animation. If you click on Quick View, it will give all the information about that product in a pop-up. Also you can directly add the product to the cart. We're also going to be creating this sidebar. For example, if I add any product in cart, it will show here in the sidebar. And you can directly check out from here without going to the single product page. We are going to be adding some cool widgets in the sidebar like this price filter. You see the products are now filtered according to the price set. Here in the menu I have created 3 categories: men, women and shoes category, where all their respective products will show only. I am going to show you how you can do that. Also we're going to be creating this tiny contact page. Products will also show in this tiny cart icon when user will add products in cart. And now if I show you the single product page, you'll see, on top we have product title with breadcrumbs. We got the sidebar here too. We have this nice zoom effect on product hover. We have this product navigation, where you can go back and forth. We have the short description of the product. We got SKU, category and tags. Then we have the product gallery. These are additional images for product, and when you click on it, it will change here. Also we have this reviews section and the related products section. There's also a section for large description for your products. Here you can add it too. We will build this website from scratch. Also I have given timestamps in the description for your ease. One last important thing, this video is sponsored by me. So subscribe to my channel. And like this video. Enough said, let's get started. To download Xampp, open your browser and type Xampp download. Open this first website. Download the latest version from here. After downloading, double-click to open. Install the software. It's pretty easy, just like you install any other software. It's done. I am going to open the control panel in a minute. To locate where you installed the software, from Start menu, search for Xampp. Click on Open File Location. Whenever you need to access your website on localhost, you need to turn on these two services. Otherwise it will not work. Now we need to create a database for our WordPress installation. So open your browser and type localhost. Now click on phpMyAdmin from top right corner. From the left sidebar, click on New. Name your database. You need to remember the name because we are going to need this later. Now we need to download WordPress zip file. Download it from their official website. Once it's installed, extract it inside Xampp installed directory, and inside htdocs folder. Now let's see it. Here it is. Now rename the folder. How you want your website to appear. I am gonna rename it to Shop City. Now let's install WordPress. To install, open your browser and type localhost/name of the folder. If you didn't rename it, you need to type WordPress here. It will open WordPress configuration page. Now select your language and click Continue. Here enter the name of the database that you've created earlier. Enter username, root. Leave the password field empty and click Submit. Here you need to enter your site title. Enter the username and password for your WordPress admin area, with which you will access it. Enter the email and click on Install WordPress. WordPress is now successfully installed. Click Login. Now whenever you need to access your WordPress dashboard, in the URL bar type localhost/the name of the folder /wp-admin, and it will open the dashboard for you. Enter your credentials. We are now officially inside our WordPress dashboard. From here you can fully control your website, Also, you can fully customize it according to your desire. Now let's take a look at our website. It's very ugly. To change its appearance completely, we need to install a new theme. To install it, go back to Dashboard. Hover on Appearances, and click on Themes. Here you can see there are some pre-installed themes. But we need a new one. So click on Add New. Search for Ocean WP. Here it is. Install and activate it. I am gonna delete these old themes really quick. Now if we take a look at our website, you can see that the theme is now completely changed. But we will customize it further to make it look more like an e-commerce website. Now it's time to customize our site further, so we need to install some new plugins. To install, hover on Plugins and click Add New. First we're going to install a page builder called Elementor. It has 5 million plus active installations. Impressive. Then I am going to install Elementor Kit. It's the add-ons for Elementor. Now I am going to install WP Forms plugin. We will create contact form and subscription form with the help of this plugin. And finally I am going to install plugin named WooCommerce. With the help of this plugin, we will build our e-commerce website. Now it's time to configure WooCommerce plugin. Here you need to fill these details. You need to give your address, country, city and postcode. If you want to enable it, go ahead and do it. What this will do, it will track our usage, how we use WooCommerce. I am going to skip this for now. Now here you need to choose your purpose, for which industry type you need to create your e-commerce website. I am gonna select fashion. Now here you need to choose what type of product you're going to use for your website. Is it physical product, downloadable product and all that stuff? I am gonna select physical. Here we need to tell WooCommerce about our business. For the first question, it's asking us that, how many products we want to display. For the sake of this tutorial, I am not gonna upload too many products. That's why I am gonna select tier 1 to 10. In the second question, it's asking if you operate any other store before this. So I am gonna select no. If you have any store before this you can go ahead and select yes if you want. Now it's asking whether we want to include business features with our website. What this will do, it will download some extensions for WooCommerce which will help in our business. But I don't need that right now. So I am gonna uncheck this box. Now here it's asking us to select a theme. I am gonna go with my current theme which is Ocean WP. The reason why I am selecting this theme, because it's kind of a universal theme, and its customization is pretty easy, that's why. And now finally, we successfully configured the plugin. Now when you configure WooCommerce plugin for the first time, it will create 4 pages for you. Shop page, cart page, checkout page and my account page. If by any chance, these pages are not created automatically, what you need to do? Search for WooCommerce shortcodes in Google. Open this first website. Scroll down until you see the shortcodes. These are the shortcodes. Here you can see that, in front of the shortcodes, the purpose is written, that for what reason it is used for. What you need to do, create a page named cart. Now copy the cart shortcode from here and paste it inside the page. Remember, you need to copy the respective shortcode into the page, so that you don't face any errors. Similarly, you can copy the shortcodes and paste inside their respective pages to make it work. Now I am going to show you how to create a simple product, but before that, I want to create 3 categories for the products: men, women and shoes. You may be thinking why I want to create the categories. Product categories help marketers position their products and promote them more effectively. Also it will be easier for us to locate. So hover on products and click on categories. Now name your category. I am gonna name the first one, men. Just click on Add Category, and it will add it. Now I am gonna create 2 more, women and shoes. I am gonna put respective products in these categories. Now, I am gonna show you how you can create simple product. Under Products, click Add New. Here you can put all the details about your product. But first I am gonna upload my image. To upload, scroll down, and from the right sidebar, click on Select Product Image. Image is now set. Now let's fill the details. Now from the right sidebar, select one of the category that we created earlier. You can also select multiple categories. I am gonna select men, since it's a men's shirt. Now here you need to enter long description about your product. I am gonna paste demo text here. You need to type your own product description. Also I am going to show you where these short and long descriptions are shown on website. Now type your price. I am going to show you about sale price in a few seconds. How it works. You need to type your price according to the currency you selected. Currently it's selected to US dollars. I am going to show you how you can change that too. Now click on Inventory. Here you need to give SKU number for your product. SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit. It's a unique number to distinguish your product from the others. Enable this checkbox if you want to keep track of your products. If your product is low on stock, it will notify you as well as the user on front end. Now here you need to give short description about your product. I am gonna paste same demo text here too. Now let's publish and take a look on front end. Here you can see, this is the main product image. Here is the title and price. This is the short description. We got Add to Cart button. We got SKU and category. And here we got the long description. This is the reviews section, where user can comment on our products. Now I am gonna add product gallery and show you how sale price works. In front of sale price, type the discounted amount, and make sure it's less than the original amount. Here you can see, only sale price is visible, and the original amount is cut off. And we got the sale tag too. Now I am gonna add product gallery. I am gonna remove the sale price for now. At the bottom right, you can see we have the option to select the gallery images. Click on it and upload your additional images. Now let's take a look. Here you can see the gallery is added. And when you click on it, it will change here also. Cool. Alright, let's check the working of cart page and checkout page. So I am gonna add to cart this product. Product is added, now let's view it. Here you can see your order's description. Here you can change the quantity if you want. You can apply coupon if you have. I am also going to show you how you can create coupons. Here's your order's subtotal. Now click on Proceed to Checkout. This is the checkout page, where a user will fill details about himself, and his shipping details. If you see here, it says that we cannot proceed, because there is no payment method created on this website. Which is true. I am going to show you how you can add different payment methods on your website, later in this video. But at least you get the idea, how it works. After we create payment method, you just need to select it from here and click on Place Order. Now I am going to show you how you can add product tags. Product tags are keywords for product identification. They are used to sort the products by a certain feature and to enable a specific, narrow product search. So go to the page on your dashboard where you added your product. In the right sidebar, under Product Categories, you can see there is an option called Product Tags. Here you can add your tags for easy identification of your products. Now I am going to show you how you can add a variable product. If you don't know what variable product is, variable products are a product type in WooCommerce that lets you offer a set of variations on a product, with control over prices, stock, image and more for each variation. They can be used for a product like a shirt, where you can offer a large, medium and small and in different colors. And on the front end, when viewing a variable product, the user is presented with drop-down boxes to select variation options. Selecting options will reveal information about the variation, including available stock and price. This is just the demo. Now let's add our own variable product. So to add a variable product, we first need to create attributes. So under Products, click on Attributes. I am going to create two attributes, name and color. Now in front of each attribute, there is an option called Configure Terms. So click on it. Now, color is our first attribute, so we need to define its variants too. Like red, blue etc. I am adding brown color. For now I am adding just one color. But you can add as many as you want. Now I am going to go to the attributes again, and configure another attribute called size. I am going to create large size. Now let's go back to our products section. Click on Edit. Very important step. In the Product Data dropdown, you need to select the Variable Product option. Make sure to select it. Otherwise it will not work. Now click on Attributes. Now from this dropdown, select all the attributes that you created. I am going to add these too. We need to add them one by one. Now select variants for each attribute and save changes. Now click on Variation. From the drop-down, select Create Variations. Click OK. Variations are added successfully. Now we just need to enter details for that product and we're good to go. You can pretty much enter anything just like when you create a new product. I am gonna upload my image real quick. You can enter its own SKU. You can enter sale price, and regular price for the product and its own description. I am gonna leave the rest as it is. Now let's see it. Now here you can see that we have the same options that I showed you in demo. We have color attribute as well as size. Now if I select the attributes, as you can see, the image is changed, as well as the price. And also the SKU number. That's how you can create variable product. Now I am going to show you how you can add payment methods to your website. So to add it, hover on WooCommerce and select Settings. Now click on Payments tab. Here you can see that WooCommerce has some pre-installed payment methods: direct bank transfer, check payments and cash on delivery. If you're using HTTP server, you will also see an option of PayPal. Also, you know that there is no service of PayPal in Pakistan, so I am going to show you cash on delivery and direct bank transfer. First, enable cash on delivery. Now click on Setup. Here make sure the cash on delivery checkbox is enabled. Here change the title and description if you want. Here enable this checkbox too. You can also add shipping methods for it, but I am not going to do it now. Click Save Changes. Done. Now click on Payments tab again. Now enable bank transfer option and click Setup. Here you can change title and description too, but it's not necessary. Here you need to enter your bank details. You need to enter account name and number, bank name, IBAN number and SWIFT code. Once you've entered your correct bank details, on the checkout page, you'll see, you will have the option of cash on delivery and bank transfer. I don't have a bank account lol. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, so that I can open a bank account of my own. Now I am going to show you how you can add shipping method to your website, and when a user buys a product from your website, the shipping cost will also be included into the product price. So now, from the WooCommerce settings, click on Shipping. Now click on Add Shipping Zone. Fill these details. First enter your zone name, within you want to deliver or ship your products. Now enter its regions. For now I am going to set it to Punjab. You can enter regions according to where you are located. You can also limit it to a zone or region, or even to a specific postal code. Now click on Add Shipping Method. Now from the drop-down, select your shipping method. There are 3 options: flat rate, free shipping and local pickup. Flat rate means fixed amount, A charge or level of payment that is the same in all cases. Free shipping means free shipping, and local pickup is a delivery option that can be added to a listing, if the seller is willing to meet up locally to give the buyer the item. I am gonna select flat rate. Shipping method is added. Now click on Edit. Now, change title if you want. For me it's fine. Now select whether you want to make it taxable or not. I am setting it to none. Now set your cost for the shipping. It's different for each country and every city. For example $10. Now let's say a customer buys single product from your website, shipping price is added for that single product, into the order and it's fine. Now what if customer buys in bulk? So the shipping charges will apply to only one item. But we want to add shipping cost to every item. So for that you need to type amount, space, star, space, QTY. It means cost will multiply with the quantity user buys. Also you can click on this question mark icon to see the formula. Click on Save Changes. Now click on Shipping Options. And make sure this shipping calculator is enabled. Now let's see it. Now here you can see, I have selected 2 as quantity. So the price is double. Now in the shipping area, you can see that I set it $10 earlier, it's double, because I set it to quantity multiplied by shipping cost. So double the quantity, double the shipping cost. You see it's working. Now I've changed the quantity to 1. Use see shipping cost is back to $10. So that's how you can set shipping method and apply shipping cost to your products on your website. You can add different shipping cost to different locations as well. Now to change currency. Click on General tab. Scroll down. And under Currency Options, you can set your currency. You can also set its position for the single product page. But I am gonna go with the US dollars for now. Alright, we are done with the WooCommerce tutorial. Now I am gonna add some real products, and add them to their specific categories, for our homepage. I am gonna delete the existing products. It's gonna take a while. So grab cold drink, or a cup of tea, and sit tight. Here you can see I have added the products and added them to their specific categories. Now let's start creating menu. But before that, I am gonna add the contact page real quick. From the right sidebar, under Page Attributes, set it to full width. Click Publish and exit out. Now under Appearances, click Menus. Now name your menu. I am gonna name it Primary. And from the menu settings, select the main checkbox. Now click on Create Menu. From the left sidebar, under Pages, select all your pages that you want to add. Pages are added. Now if you notice, there are no product categories option here. It's because it's hidden. So to unhide it, scroll up, click Screen Options, and check the Product Categories box. Now when you refresh the page, you'll see, Product Categories option is now available. Now select your categories from here. Adjust their position and save changes. Now let's see it. You can see that menu is added successfully, with all our pages and categories. And also we have the card icon in the menu. Cool. Now let's design header. To design, click on Customize. Scroll down and click on Header. Now click on Logo. Here you need to upload your own logo. I've created mine, so I am gonna do it. Crop it according to your need. Now here you can see the logo is set, but it's too big. So, adjust the max width from the left sidebar. This is better. Now go back. Click on General Options. Click on General Styling. Here, change the primary color. I am gonna paste mine. Here you can see, our primary color is now changed. Now I am gonna change the typography. So go back and click on Typography. Click on Body, and change your font from here. This is better. Now go back and click on Top Bar. Click on General, make sure that this checkbox is enabled. Now scroll down and change the background color. I am going to change the text color to white. Now click on Content. Type the text which you want to appear on top bar. Now go back and click Social. Add your social media links here, so that they can appear on the top right corner. I am going to change their colors too. One last thing I want to do is, I want to make my shop page as default page for now, because we haven't created a home page yet. So to do that, go back and click on Home Page Settings. Click on a static page. Now choose your page. Now I want to change this tagline text over here. So to change it, go to Dashboard. Hover on Settings, and click General. Now change the tagline from here. Save changes, and now let's see it. It's changed. Now if you notice, we changed our default page earlier but it is not showing here. It's because we didn't save our work. So make sure you save your precious work too. See, now it's changed. Now I want to change the price colors for products. So click on WooCommerce. Click on Advanced Styling. Scroll down. Under Product Entry, change the price color. You see it's not changing here, because it's for the archive page. Here you can see, the price color is changed. To change it on single page as well, under Single Product, change the price color. It's changed. Now if you want to remove the sidebar for archive as well as single product page, click on Single Product. Under Layout, you can see it is currently set to left sidebar. Select the layout of your choice. I am gonna go with the sidebar for now. Now you can also disable the WooCommerce elements on single product page. It will hide the elements. Now go back and click on Archive. You can change the layout here too. If you want to disable elements on Archive too, you can do so here. For example, if I disable the price element, you see it's gone. You can also make the product style to hover style. Let me show you. Here you can see the style is completely changed. To disable Quick View behind the Add to Cart button, uncheck this box here. Now let's take a look. Now it's time to build our home page. So let's do it. I am gonna create a page named Home. I am gonna make it full width too. This is where we create our design. Now on the left side, if you see, we have all the widgets that we will use to build our home page. When you click on the plus icon, it will give options to choose columns. There are so many options to choose from. For now I am gonna choose one column. I want to add background image to this section. So click on the 6 dots icon to edit section. Go to Style tab. And in the background type, click this paintbrush icon. Now choose your image. Image is added. But the section, it's too small to see. So let's add some stuff here. To add widgets, click this Rubik's Cube looking icon and choose your widget. I am gonna use heading widget. When you drag and drop any widget, it opens up its settings. So now change its text. Now I am gonna change the color and typography in the Style tab. Now I am gonna duplicate the heading. To do it, right-click this pencil icon, and select Duplicate. Now you can edit this heading widget too. I am gonna make it smaller and thinner. Also I am gonna add some letter spacing. Now let's change position for the image. To do it, click this Edit section icon. Here set its position to center. Leave this attachment to default. Set repeat to no repeat. And size to cover. Now I am gonna add the button widget. First let's change the text. I am gonna link this button to my shop page. You can also change the button size. You can add icon as well. So let's add it. Add icon spacing from here. Now in the Style tab, I am going to change the typography and colors. I am going to add another heading under the button. Now let's add some spacing. To add it, click this Edit section icon. Go to Advanced tab. Here you can see we have the option to add padding. Padding is the inner spacing of the widget. Here you can see it's adding from all four sides. You need to unlink the values to add custom padding. So click on this gray icon to unlink. This is cool. Now I want to add shape divider. To add, click the Edit section icon. Go to Style tab. Click on Shape Divider. First choose the location where you want to add this. Top, or bottom, then choose which type looks the best. It's done. Now I am gonna add a special heading widget under the Hero section. This is the Elementor Kit heading. Now whatever you type inside these brackets will appear bold, and outside of the brackets will appear thin. You can remove the brackets to make it appear normal. Here you can see clearly. You can add subtitle under it. You can add description under it. You can remove the separator. In the Style tab, you can change the alignment, colors, fonts and all that stuff. Play with settings just like you want. Now I am going to add an icon box widget. Here you can add image instead of icon. You can add title and description. Pretty much everything. So I am gonna add icon real quick. You can also add button. You can make it appear on hover. Or you can make it static. You can add link to the button. Also, you can add badge to the corner of this widget. You can change its text and position. Now I am going to duplicate this column 2 more times, and I am going to change their link and fonts real quick. Now let's see it. This Hero Sections Shop Now button will take us to the shop page. And these buttons will take you to the respective product category pages. I am going to make the next section, Parallax. First I am going to add image to background. To make it parallax, click the Edit section icon, go to Style tab, and make the attachment to Fixed. Here you can see that image is fixed in the background and the text is moving. Now I am going to tweak some more settings. Now this is the result. For the last section, I am taking the icon box widget. It's pretty much similar to the widget that we used earlier, but this is a little simpler. Same as always, you can change the icon, text and description from here. Now I am going to duplicate it and change their text. Now I want to add background color to the widgets. So click on Edit Widget button to edit. Go to Advanced tab. Click on background and change the color from there. Also, I am going to add some inner spacing. Now let's create footer, but before that, we need to create a subscription form for our footer. So hover on WP Forms and click on All Forms. Obviously no form is created. So click on Create Form. Here are some predefined templates. But I am going to show you from scratch. So name your form, and add a blank template. Just like the Elementor page builder, we need to drag and drop the widget from the left sidebar to create a form. First I am going to use name widget. Here it's showing first name and last name, but I don't want that. So to edit it, click on the widget. Now under Format, select Simple. Now click on Advanced tab. Here select the field size to large. Now I am going to use the email widget. In this widget, you can also enable email confirmation. Confirmation emails are the messages you send to reassure a user, after they've signed up for a service or updated their profile information, or received their order, or it is under process. In Advanced tab, select the field size to large. And make sure these both elements have required enabled. Now click on the Settings tab. In the General tab, you can change the form name, its description, submit button text and all that. In the Notification tab, you can set where and how you want to receive this as email. And in the Confirmation tab, you can show user a successful message notification, that his email has been successfully sent to the admin. You can also make user to go on a specific page, or redirect them to another URL. Once you changed all the settings, save changes and exit out. Now from your dashboard, go to Appearances, and click on Widgets. Here you can see we have 4 columns available for our footer. Footer 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are going to put widgets in all of the columns. In the first one, I am going to take image widget. I am going to upload my logo in it. Also I am going to take text widget. In the second column, I am going to take the navigation menu. In the third one I am going to take the product tags widget. And in the fourth column, I am going to take the WP Forms widget. And going to select the subscription form from here. footer is created, but image is missing. It's because I didn't give link to the image that I selected earlier. Now you see the image is visible. We have menu, we have tags in third column and subscription form in fourth. Great. Now I am going to change the footer bottom text and colors. So click on Customize. Scroll down and select Footer Widgets. I am going to change the background color and text color. And in the footer bottom, you can change the copyright text. And also change its colors too. One last thing, I am going to set my homepage as default. For contact page, I am going to take a predefined contact form template. And in the page builder, I am going to use WP Forms widget, and select this contact form. So that was how you can create fully functional e-commerce website on WordPress. Please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It encourages me to make more tutorials like this. See you later, alligator.